Your clothes are a microplastic factory. More than 60% of all clothes are made from synthetic fibers. The majority is polyester, but there's also nylon or acrylic, just to mention a few. These fibers are all plastic. What's worse is that they are purposely designed to be incredibly small. Microplastics are less than 5 millimeters. Polyester and synthetic staple fibers are designed to be less than 3 microns wide. We are wearing a microplastics factory, and as soon as the fibers loosen up or break off, they fall all around us. This includes recycled plastics and recycled polyester. We consume an average of 145,000 microplastics per year.
Maybe even more fibers are released from your clothes during use of your clothes. The more predominant plastic particle types are fibers.
These plastics have been found in human blood, lungs, and placenta, releasing chemicals like BPA and phthalates that disrupt our hormones and even our fertility. But there is a solution. A simple way to stop this contamination: switch to all natural. Stop using polyester, synthetic fibers, and other plastics. Choose 100% plastic-free. Choose 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹.